Hi everybody, I thought I would do a little time lapse for you today. My wife bought these little end tables for our guest bedrooms. It's Winsome 82218 is the manufacturing part number. It's just a little accent table that we're going to put along the side of our beds. So I'll do a time lapse and watch. You can watch me put it together. It's probably going to be a little bit interesting. Here we go. There you have it. I made the drawers. So, wasn't too bad. Read the instructions, did a little bit backwards, but that's okay. And my dog helped me on all. Did you help me a little bit? Yeah? Tried to help me? I stink a little bit too. Alright. See you next time on Dumb Old Dad. This is one of those projects that you call minimal assembly required. Minimal assembly required. And I use my glasses because I can't see the fine print of the instructions. What are you doing?